let's see what we can do here. So I'm going to take some parts here and put it together. And I'm hoping yep, okay, cool. So I'm going to put that there, put that there, like this. I'm going to put this here to secure that together. And I've got 4 of these deals here. And if you can't tell, what I'm making is an air conditioning unit. It's kind of cool. It's going to go right over here. Okay, so then I need this part here like that. And this nest is going to go right on top of this. Oh wait, hold on. I'm going to put this down for a minute because I think does this go like this? Or... oh, that's clever. No, they put the flat part down. Okay. So I'm going to put this like this, and I'm going to take this bird. Actually, let's do this. You know how that's going to sit in there, kind of like that, if you can see it. That's going to sit right on top of, like, hang on, folks. Okay, I guess it's just meant to sit on there, like that. This will be a little loose, but that's okay. And then we're going to take this, I'm going to put it right here. Hang on a second. That doesn't make any sense. Why am I doing it like... okay. I don't know what's going on with it, but I don't care because it'll probably fall off several times. But there's an air conditioning unit right there with the bird on the nest. Okay. Now I'm going to fix this thing together. So what I'm going to do is I'll come over here. I'm going to put these right here. There's 2 of them. Like that. And then, okay, so I need to flip, no, I need to put this here. Okay, so I need to put this here. And then put this here. So you got 2 handles on the end and these 2 things. I'll put this down for a minute because I've got to put these together. Like that. Pop this in here like that, and then that is going to be a light. Now, I have to modify one of my lights because I couldn't find the piece I need, but that's okay because I'll show you how I do that. See, modify it a little bit. Put this on here like that, and there you go. Now you've got. Get these as straight as possible I can. That, and then this piece is going to go down here, but I've got to put, give me just a sec here to figure out where to put this part. Looks like it goes here? No, not that far. Okay, I figured out where it went. So you can see it's right there. And this goes here. And this one skips, I imagine, a little bit. And this one goes here. Oop, and this one goes there. Okay, that doesn't look right. Oh, maybe it does. Okay, cool. All right, so I'm going to take this. I'm going to angle this up a little bit so I can get it on there. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna set it right. I did that right? Yeah, I did. Okay. How come it's not going on there? Okay, something's not right. And I'm gonna fix it because this is ridiculous. Shouldn't be this hard to put this together, but apparently they want to make it difficult. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna go like that. Just go straight and back up. So you see where it goes. It's right there on the edge of that building. The connectors go in there and then, you know, it snaps together right like that. So, all right. Please subscribe, like, and comment on the videos if you like them. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.